So this is my channel. Like I said earlier, this is the funnel that we use. I have no idea what this is. It's like when you squeeze the stuff in. This is some glue, activator glue. I have no idea what it is. This is a test tube stand. This is a test tube. This is the oil, and this is the water, and then this is the, what is this for?
The notepad.
Notepad. Why do we need a notepad?
To write down your conclusion.
Okay, write down in my conclusion. Where did you get this? 1 second. Oh, okay. Okay. Anyways, moving on. Have you ever heard the phrase they go together like oil and water? Normally, that describes people who have very different personalities. Like what does it say?
Where are you at? Likewise,
Water and oil do not mix because they have different personalities properties for one, they are packed differently. Oil tends to sit on top of water because it is less dense than water, which means that its
particles
are not as tightly packed.
Okay, so are you going to prove us right or wrong?
I don't know. We have to try and see what it does.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay. To the instructions. Now, what do we need to do?
First is pour 5 ml of water into the test tube.
Okay, so we do.
You gotta look for 5 ml. So.
Can you fill it up? Because I don't know where I have to fill it up.
3, 4, 5. I think this right here is 5. So you're gonna squeeze this, and then you lift it up. And then you're gonna put your test. Squeeze it all the way up.
Didn't go the way up.
There, that's good. All right. There you go. And squeeze it in.
So this goes into the test.
Now we need 10 ml of oil. So we're gonna look here. And so this bottom line right here is 10 ml. So pour that oil in here to the bottom line right there.
Like the very bottom line?
Yep.
Wait, how do I fill it up?
With the oil?
No.
No. You take this.
Oh, yeah. Okay, where's the bottom line?
And now you're gonna pour that.
Wait, did you put water? Okay.
Now you're gonna pour that in there. Now put on your lid.
Now what?
Shake it.
Ooh. Ah.
Is it mixing?
No, it's not. It's clumping up.
Let's see. Put your hand behind it and go like this. Turn it around.
See? This is, I think.
Let it stand for a few seconds, so put it in.
So how many is a few again?
I don't know, count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Still clumped up.
Let me see. Oh yeah, look at, see how the water?
Well, it's wrong.
No, look at it. Look at the bottom. Look, that's water there.
It's sitting on top of the water.
Yeah, you see how it's like sitting there?
That's so cool. There's a lot of oil in here.
Mm-hmm.
It mixed together. Are we wrong or right?
We are. The book is correct.
It does not go together.
No, oil and water does not go together.
Now what do we do with it?
You can pour it in.
Outside.
Yes.